Hello guys, you are all welcome. We are in our step 4. We go through helidons. Yeah, we are supposed to go through light, but when we go through this light, we may have to come back and still go back to this. So it's better we do this first. It's always better you do this first before you go to light. So uh, this helidus is a kind of you use it to set your sky, your cloud and sun. Also you can also use it to set your time and the use it, do we call it the town or state or country, you know. There are so many things you can use this to do. So let's get started. First, let's go down here. When you go down here, we have this, which is the pan mode. You can activate this pan mode. When you activate it, you take it up or down. It, it works through that way. And also, when we go to the perspective, it will teach you how to rotate your building. Maybe if you don't like the position and you want to view it in another angle, you can also do that through the perspective. But let's thoroughly go through this religious. So let's go through the positions of sun and the rest and the location. Some people make use of this, but it's not really important and not really. I personally do not make use of it. But if you still want to make use of it, it's okay. Let's go through this way. We click here and you go here, you say edit. Maybe if you don't like this place it is here, there is no Lagos or any place in Nigeria here. I think so. So maybe if you just want to include a town, you just say add. When you add, it will show you add a new town and you just go to this place and add Lagos. Lagos. Then you can change this, you can change any of this. With time, you have to learn it. If you still want to delete what you added, you say delete. So you can also use this, but to me it's not really important. So let's just go to this. So we have changed it to Lagos. Yeah, then we go to cloud. This is cloud. If you want to put your cloud, you can see it is plain now. There's no cloud. You can put this. You put this clear. You can see it has shown you cloud. And if you don't like the cloud, you want to put another, you can put this. I've shown you another type of cloud. If you still want to put broken cloud, you put. So there are different type of cloud here, about 4 type. And also we have the customized, but I don't make use of it, so I don't know how it works. So let's leave it with clear cloud. Yeah, this clear cloud is okay. This you can also activate this, but I really don't make use of it. Wind direction, so I don't make use of it. This okay. You can see as your cloud is changing. So if you want to change your cloud, you can still change it through this way. You can see it. You can see it. So just depends on what you want. And here too, you can also activate this. Maybe if you don't like this, you put on this. I really do not make use of these two. So when you are done with this, maybe you want to go to position your sun manually. If you want to position your sun manually, you can also change it. You position your sun manually, as immediately you click to it, you can see that it has activates your sun. As you activate your sun, you can position your sun by clicking here and maybe you turn it, you change it to this way. You can see it exactly that it means your sun has gone back. You can see it here. You can see the sun here. You can see it here. So if you still want to make it darker, maybe you click on it. So this is it. Okay. So you go here and go here. You just play with it. You can see when it changes. You can see it. The sun has changed. You turn it this way, and you see the sun. You can see the sun moving here. Look at the sun. You can see it moving. You shift it this way. You can see the sun that disappear. Okay, you take it back. It's now brighter. Then when you want to, maybe you don't like the way it is, you want to change the brightness, you can also change it by just clicking here. You can see it. So it just depends on what you want, It depends on what you want. So you just do what you want. You can just use it, change the time, use the time here to change. You put this 14, it will change. You make it 17. That's 5 p.m. So you can see it has changed. So just basically this is used for setting our brightness, sun, and the rest. So that's it. Thank you. Just make sure you practice yours. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did here. This also, you can see this, just the cloud. Okay, let's go to this sun ring. You can put it on high and see how it looks like. So you see edited, you see rendering, does not come up. So we allow it come up and you see how that look like. Okay, you can see it is showing the sun. Look at the sun here. So when you put it on medium, you see it will also reduce. If you watch it very well, you understood that the sun just reduced too. Okay, this lens flame, you can also, let's put it on high and see what it will give. You put it on high. Okay, so you just practice yours and do with it. Okay. You can see it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Just use it, do yours.